Good afternoon. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com, bringing you an afternoon update on the pound dollar trade. Today is Wednesday, May 15th, 2013. It's about 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So, what we have right in front of us is the daily chart of the pound dollar. We had a great follow through today to the lower side, retested this 5200 price range area. So we just broke support for the first time in many weeks. Right now, because we have reached this area, we are still looking for a follow through to a lower target. The first target that we are going to focus on is 5100, and then the next target that we're going to focus on is 1.5080. That's a fulcrum area. So that being said, the more we consolidate into this area, the more we're going to have a short signal that's going to follow through to the next two targets. In order to find a better entry with a better stop, we're going to zoom in on a lower time frame chart, and first we're going to visit the 4-hour chart to see how is it shaping up. So far right here you see the support area that was formed by price action back in April. We saw a good rally to the upside, and right now we came back down, tested the support area, and traded a little bit lower, touching this first pivot point line at 5175. Now we're going to zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see how this retracement is likely to react. So we have right here the support line. We also have yesterday's lows. We have breached yesterday's lows in today's trading, and we're still congested into this area, whole area. So right now, the more we consolidate into this area, the more weaker we will be for further price action. So what we're going to be looking for is an entry short below 5200 with a stop above 5274. This is what we're going to be looking for. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to see how this area is shaping up. So far we saw a whipsaw right into this area, and this is because we have tested a huge daily support area, and this price action is very normal for that. So again, the more we stay into this area, the more we consolidate between these two limits right here, the 5272 and this area right here, 5192 and 5177, around these areas, the more the weaker we look. So again, we're going to be looking for a short into this area right here at under 5200. So the more the price is going to consolidate around this area, we're going to enter it short again if you're not in the trade. So this would be an additional signal. If you're still in the trade, make sure you give it a little bit of room, a little bit of wiggle room. 5278, 5280 fulcrum area for the stop. And again, make sure you trail it properly, and to make sure that you're still in the trade, make sure you trail it on the 4-hour chart, pivot by pivot. So therefore, the next targets for this currency pair, like I said, it's going to be 5100 and 5080 fulcrum area. These are the main two areas that we're going to focus on. Bias short. And again, the signal is going to be under 5200 and stop above the pivot that the price action will form it. All right, this was all for today. Thank you so much for listening. If you want to find out more about our style of trading, visit our website at www.tradeoutloud.com. Make sure you like our Facebook page. We update our Facebook page rather almost daily on some of our trades. Make sure you like us, facebook.com/tradeoutloud. And if you do like these videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade Out Loud. Thank you so much for listening, and see you next time.